If you own a Porsche with an M96 or early M97 engine, you've likely heard about the infamous intermediate shaft, or IMS bearing. But with so many replacement options out there, you're probably wondering, which style of IMS bearing is right for my engine? From the factory, all IMS bearings were ball bearings, and they were all sealed, packed with grease and isolated from the engine sump oil. Although the intermediate shaft is partially submerged in oil, the sealed design of the bearing is intended to prevent that oil from reaching the bearing. But over time, the seal will fail, and when it does, engine oil enters the bearing, washing out the grease. However, since the seal remains mostly intact, it severely restricts the flow of fresh oil in and out, leading to marginal lubrication. While the bearing never truly runs dry, this limited lubrication can still result in elevated wear and eventual failure. Aftermarket options include open-style ceramic hybrid ball and conventional roller bearings. These designs allow engine oil to reach the bearing, improving lubrication over sealed types. It's worth noting that even Porsche developed its own replacement, using a ceramic hybrid ball bearing similar to the popular IMS retrofit. However, they chose to keep it sealed. Roller bearings are also available and offer similar load capacity, but they aren't designed to handle thrust loads, making them less ideal for the mixed load environment of the intermediate shaft. That's where the IMS Solution stands apart. It's not a ball bearing. It's not a roller bearing. It's a plain bearing like what you'd find supporting a crankshaft. There are no moving parts within the bearing itself. The intermediate shaft simply rides on a thin, pressurized oil film, eliminating metal-to-metal contact and dramatically reducing wear. If you're looking for a permanent, lifetime fix, the IMS Solution is the only upgrade engineered to do just that.
Call or visit ellenengineering.com to learn more.